Chud is atá sibh a tásúla gom go bhfuil gach duine I mór na sláinte inniu I réna díon glasála agus gachar atá ag tarlú. Sa ní seán seo beidh mé ag díriú ar an An Spailpín Fánach le file a nathnid. So anonymous poet. Níl is a ghuiin cé a chum an dáin seo. So An Spailpín Fánach le file a nathnid. Im Spailpín Fánach atáim le fada, ag seasamh ar mo chláinte, ag siúil an druachta go moch ar maidin, is ag bailú galir rátha. Ach lachfad fís ó rí na grapís, cle is pí consáite. Is go brach a rís ní gléif ar manam, sa tír seo An Spailpín Fánach. Ba vinnic moch riil go clúan geall mala, is as sin go tibredárin. I garrig na seora híos do ghearing, córsa leathin láidir. I galan go tlú is mo chúiste imglach, ag dul chun tosig céirdló. Is nóir héim go dúrlas, sé siúd bhí na gum. Seo chuamh An Spailpín Fánach. Go jójó a rís ní raiad go chaisiil. Ag díal nó ag rech mo chláinte. Ná ar bharga na saoire im hí cos balla, im scuinse ar leathébh shráide. Bud rí na tíre ag tíocht ar a gapil, a íofrí an bhuilim hiarálta. Téanam chun siúil, tá an córsa fada, siúil ar An Spailpín Fánach. So again gach duine na fuamana deachara atá sa dáin seo. Very difficult sounds. Agus an riocht, the pronunciation freisin. Just caithfidh sibh a cleachta. Again, an CH, Fánach. If there's a quailu ag deireadh an ochil, if you have a slenderization at the end of a word, it has to be pronounced like láidir, Spailpín, sin, quailu. Okay? And then if it's a broad consonant ag deireadh an ochil, caithfidh tú a úniu I gceart freisin. For example, im Spailpín Fánach atáim le fada, dí leathin, a brádí fada. Ag seasamh ar mo chláinte. It's not mo sláinte, mo chláinte, because it's a séú an sin. Go moch ar maidin. Is ag bailú galir, quailu at the end. So, what I would advise to you all is to go through the poem, underline the sounds that sound different to how you would say them. Listen to these videos. Listen and repeat first without even seeing the words, right? Listen and repeat. Then introduce yourself to the written word and practice like that. All right? Because pronunciation, the best thing to do is to not see the written word when you practice pronunciation first, because sometimes it can cause difficulties, especially because things are written chana difriúil sa Gaeilge. All right? So, and then kind of show your personality as well and try and get the mahuchain across, the emotions freshen. So, sail jachar nu sail crua an Spailpín. Try and get that sail crua across when you're ag léamh an dáin. Okay,